My name is Joe with Pops Auto Electric. We're excited to let you guys know that we have our new building. It's located at 100 Obrien Road in Fern Park, 32730. That's our new address. Same phone number we've had forever, 407-857-8579. Want to let you know we have acquired a beautiful new building. We have a space for 6-7 cars inside the building. Beautiful space over here for office and waiting area. Also showroom, an AC facility. We are going to be able to supply you with the best service that we can. We're going to be able to work faster, better. So I don't want anybody to think we're not here. We're here to stay for a long, long time. Remember, it's 100 Obrien Road, Fern Park, 32730.